Upon completing this in-service, you will be able to number 1, understand the importance of calibrating thermometers, and number 2, learn how to properly calibrate food thermometers. Food thermometers are essential to ensure that hot or cold foods are served at safe temperature levels to prevent any occurrence of foodborne illness. In order to guarantee that food temperatures are accurate, food thermometers must be calibrated. Calibration is the process of standardizing thermometer within specific temperature range for what it is designed for. Thermometers must be calibrated after being purchased, when dropped or jolted, and on a regular basis. Thermometer accuracy to plus or minus 2 degrees Fahrenheit is extremely important to ensure food-safe temperature levels. Methods of calibrating metal stem food thermometer. The ice bath or freezing point method. Fill an insulated container such as a foam cup with 50% crushed ice and 50% cold water all the way to the top. Stir the ice to make sure ice is not floating. If so, pour off some of the water and add more crushed ice. Let ice water sit for 5 minutes. Insert thermometer into ice water and allow the stem tip to submerge at least 3 inches without touching the bottom or sides of the cup. Allow at least 5 minutes for thermometer to reach final reading to 32 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 seconds. No adjustment is necessary at this temperature reading. If final temperature reading does not read 32 degrees Fahrenheit, keep the thermometer in ice bath and hold the hex nut in place with a tool and slowly turn the dial with your free hand until it reads 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Hot water bath or boiling point method. Fill medium-sized pan with water and bring to a rolling boil. Using necessary precaution to avoid burning yourself, place thermometer in boiling water until 3 inches of the stem tip is submerged without touching the bottom or sides of the pan. Allow time for the thermometer to reach a final reading of 212 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 seconds. No adjustment is necessary at this temperature reading. If the reading is not 212 degrees Fahrenheit, follow steps below. Make a note of how much below or above 212 degrees Fahrenheit the temperature reading was. Remove thermometer from the hot water bath and let sit at room temperature for 2 to 3 minutes. Do not adjust thermometer while in pan of boiling water to avoid steam burns. Hold the hex nut in place using a tool to slowly turn the dial head. If the temperature was noted below 212 degrees Fahrenheit on step number 3, turn the dial head clockwise so that the needle goes up. The number of degrees that the thermometer needle is moved is the difference between 212 degrees Fahrenheit and the temperature noted on step number 3. If the temperature was noted above 212 degrees Fahrenheit on step number 3, turn the dial counterclockwise so that the needle goes down. The number of degrees that the thermometer needle is moved is the difference between 212 degrees Fahrenheit and the temperature noted on step number 3. Place the thermometer in boiling water again to verify that the thermometer now reads 212 degrees Fahrenheit. If not, repeat steps number 3 through 6. Let's test your knowledge of thermometer calibration. When calibrating a thermometer in an ice bath, the final temperature reading should be A. 32 degrees Fahrenheit, B. 41 degrees Fahrenheit, C. 0, or D. none of the above. And the answer to question number 1 is A. 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Question number 2. Thermometer calibration is important because A. Thermometers must be accurate to plus or minus 1 degree Fahrenheit. B. Calibration will make sure thermometers provide accurate temperature readings to ensure food safety. C. Cooks only need to take temperatures once a week. Or D. All of the above. And the answer to question number 2. Thermometer calibration is important because, and that's B. Calibration will make sure thermometers provide accurate temperature readings to ensure food safety. Question number 3. When calibrating a thermometer using the boiling point method, the final temperature reading should be A. 140 degrees Fahrenheit, B. 200 degrees Fahrenheit, C. 180 degrees Fahrenheit, or 212 degrees Fahrenheit. And the answer to question number 3. When calibrating a thermometer using the boiling point method, the final temperature reading should be D. 212 degrees Fahrenheit. Question number 4, true or false? Thermometers must be accurate plus or minus 2 degrees Fahrenheit. And the answer to question number 4 is true. Thermometers must be accurate plus or minus 2 degrees Fahrenheit. Question number 5, true or false? Using the ice bath calibration method, the stem tip of the thermometer must touch the bottom of the cup. And the answer to question number 5 is false. You do not want the thermometer to touch the bottom of the cup or the sides. Thank you for your participation in today's program. Our goal is for you to use this information in your daily work. We hope you are well served today and every day. If you would like more information about our in-service training programs or consulting dietitian services, please contact us at Nutrition Care Systems, 1-800-761-9200 or nutritioncaresystems.com.